Okay. So this is the GBP USD London session strategy. As you can see, we're on the GBP USD. We're on the hour chart. What you do is you go back to every 3 a.m. in the morning, you wake up, and according to the previous three candlesticks, which would take you all the way back to midnight, you set your high and you set your low. As you can see, we set a high at 1.38725 and a low at 1.38408. Now what you do is anywhere between this right here, between this space right here, between under this yellow line, which is actually going to be my preferred entry price, you can set an entry and I'm sorry, a buy limit, and vice versa with the sell. You can set a sell limit as well. So you have two limit orders in place. And with me, I would have entered at the yellow line, which is 1.38803, and I would have got out at this upper line right here at 1.38910. If you calculate those pips, that's not 15, because really 15 would have to be what 95. So it'll have to move that up like to 95. I get it. Let's get it now. Hold on. Forget it. We'll get it right there. 95. But as you can see, we would have hit those. We would have hit our take profit within a 4 hour time frame, because that candle wick reaches all the way up to 1.39075. So we would have set our limit orders in, and we would have went to sleep, did whatever you do, bro. You know what I mean? But basically, that's the strategy. It's that simple. You just go back every 3 o'clock in the morning, London session. You go back three candlesticks to the previous midnight. You set your high, you set your low, you will set a pending sell order, and you will set a pending buy order within 10 pips of the high and the low, preferably, my opinion. Then you calculate whichever your entry point is, and I'm gonna show you how to calculate pips quickly if you don't already know. Your entry point will be, like I say, within 8 pips, 8 to 10 pips max, and after that you'll calculate 15 pips up or 15 pips down, depending on the order. And as you can see, that's 1.38803. You will have to go all the way to 1.38954. You don't have to calculate the last digit. You just need to make sure that the next two over to the left is equivalent to a difference of 15. And basically you do that with both the pending sale limp order and the pending buy order. And that's it, bro. And you can back test this as far as you want to go. You could back test it as far as you want to go. And you will see that the statistics of consistency is very high. So that's it, bro. Check it out. I'll be back if you need any help.